Hey everybody, my name is Frank, owner of Clean and Boujee Auto Detailing here in Hemet, California. And in today's video, I want to show you a couple shots and video footages of this particular vehicle I coated a couple months ago, and the owner actually doing the video editing himself, filming me from start to finish on washing, claying, rinsing down the vehicle, polishing the vehicle, and coating the vehicle, and the final results of the car once it was coated and completed. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoy the quick video footage of the vehicle, and I'll get back to you guys once the footage is over. All right, enjoy.
Special delivery. We'll see what this is in a different video. So here's the finished product. Shout out to Frank, Clean and Boujee, putting in work. This thing came out great. Damn. I'll make sure to link him down in the description. If any of my viewers are in the Inland Empire area, you guys could check him out.
All right, you guys, so as you guys saw the video footage of me working on the car, ceramic coating it, polishing it, you guys are able to see the final outcome of his vehicle. So this vehicle in particular, if you guys don't already know by the style and the body and the way it looks like, it is a 2022 Toyota GR86. This particular customer drove to Oregon and went to go ahead and take delivery up there, and then he drove this vehicle back home. And as you guys saw, in the footage, he untaped the hood and the other parts of the car, and I went ahead and did my thing and installing a ceramic coating service on his vehicle. So also shout out to Daniel, the owner of this vehicle. If you guys are interested in watching the entire video that he made taking delivery, driving this car back home and all the specs of this particular vehicle, make sure to follow his channel. I'll leave his channel and all the information from him down below in the description. And you can also watch the entire video just by clicking the card up or down below on this video. You'll be able to check out the entire video of him, like I said, taking delivery, driving, talking to you guys about why he purchased this car in particular, why he drove to Oregon probably, and all the video footage that he made as well. So but shout out to Daniel. I appreciate you filming me working on your car, and obviously giving me this footage for me to use. So thank you, Daniel. Very, very, very appreciated. So yeah, so like I said, you guys, very important. Like I mentioned to you guys in all my videos, make sure to get a ceramic coating inspection first. This customer, I did throw some ball range, I guess ballpark prices, and we went ahead and I told them, hey man, if it's a little bit more work, I'll let you know. But because the vehicle's new, he recently sold one of his vehicles, and now this is going to be a daily driver. I went ahead and did the best I could to make sure there was little to no swirls left on the paint. And now he has a 3-year coating, and the coating I use to install is G-Technic Crystal Serum Light, one of the best coatings I've ever worked with. So if you guys are interested in either a full paint correction service or a ceramic coating service or both, make sure to schedule a free consultation with me, so that way I can check out your vehicle, inspect the paint, inspect everything, walk you through with what I see, and then we can come up with a certain package that is in your price range and that you'll be happy once the results are finished. All right, so hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to share this quick video footage, and like I said, shout out to Daniel. Thanks so much for recording me and editing the video and letting me use this for my portfolio. All right, so if you guys are interested in the ceramic coating, make sure to check out the links down below to get in contact with me. You'll find everything you need in the description. Again, follow my man Daniel. So if you guys are interested in learning more about his channel and obviously what he does, make sure to check out his channel on YouTube. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.